Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What is going on, everyone? And good morning to you guys. Hopefully, you guys are feeling good and ready for the day that we have upon us right now. Let me say good morning to the crew real quick. We got Joshua in the house, Patty's here, Joni's here. Welcome to anybody that's on TikTok right now. Good morning to T Bueno and Joshua over in the mobile. Thank you guys for being here. Shout out to Kick and Twitch watchers as well. Right now, we do have a little bit of a bearish trend on our hands here on the 1 minute. The 5 minutes barely holding on, and the 30 minutes still very bullish. Let's go ahead and take a look at those time frames that I just spoke of. Right now, on the 30 minute, we do have a target right now to the upside at 856. Another target on the 5 minute up to 885. And to the downside, we've got a target of 643, although we could go a lot lower here if the market decides to start to sell off. As you can see, the 30-minute wave still very thick, so don't get fooled by the 1 minute or anything smaller than that. 5 minute and higher usually tells us the trend. Right now on the 5 minute, we do see that currently right now we did put in a MOAS power short down to about 30,643. We are finding some support on the VWAP right now and possibly pushing up to maybe make higher highs right now this morning. Well, I don't know. We don't know yet. Let's take a quick look at the ES before we move on to any other assets and see how she is doing. Go ahead and open that up. All right, right now on the ES, we have a little bit different story here. We have a couple more bearish targets to the downside here. We've got a 75.97 target on the 30 minute. And then we have another 75.92 target on a 5 minute. So it is looking a little bit more bearish right now. That curve out here on the 30 minute on the ES is a little bit more pronounced. So I'm not sure what we're going to see here. Maybe we get a bounce from the overnight low, and or maybe we get a bounce from this 75.97. Who knows? Who knows where we get a bounce, if we get a bounce. The 5 minute is pretty much the same story with a little bit more of a bearish sentiment here than we do on the NQ. We took out some liquidity here and we just kept going. So the market may want to really shoot down to 75.97 here on the open. We'll see. Right now I currently do have a long on the NQ. It's a paper trade. It's not a real trade right now. We have a little bit of a bullish bias here because of some price action I saw. The 5 minute looks pretty decent as well. So maybe we do get a push here on the NQ to the upside. Right now, if we take a look at the Mag 7 on the extended hours right now, we are kind of scraping the bottom of this target that we had here at 68.83. NVIDIA had a rocket ship of a week, and right now she is giving a little bit back. Have a target that just popped up at 220, but a target up here still open at 226. Pretty big sell-off from yesterday. People profit taking here probably, but right now she is still holding those 220s. Bitcoin, the one that everyone's been talking about here, big mover. We have that target on the daily right now. There's a target on the daily at 64,734. Let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour still has a target, I think, at 64 as well. Let's see. No, actually, that was the daily that had that 64 target. So yeah, the daily had a 64 target right here. Let me outline that. This is the daily target right there. Actually, let me move that a little bit lower. Yeah, target on the daily is 64,705. So we're getting pretty close. The 4 hour is right now putting in a trap short indication. Could follow through here and start making some higher highs. We'll see. The 4 hour looks pretty bullish right now. We haven't gotten a trap short indication in this whole move down from 74. We have not gotten one trap long indication. This is the first one. So we'll see how this plays out. I would say that I wouldn't be taking any longs here until we do hit the 64 level. Then I would consider a long on Bitcoin. Right now we're just going to hold off on that. Oil is all over the place, but right now oil looks like it wants to hang out at 95s. Still a lot of unsettled business over in Iran. A lot of problems going on over there, but she is kind of moving a little bit lower here on the pre-market. YM recently has also been moving higher, but then we did have this sell-off. We hit 51,000. I didn't even realize we hit 51,000 on the Dow. The Dow looks like a little profit taking here as well. Gold, man, these are some big movers. Gold right now is at 44.85. Also had a big sell-off from yesterday. She made it up to 4,500s yesterday, 45.60s, and now she's back down in the 44.80s. Wow. All right. Well, we got the market pushing higher still. She is still moving to the upside. Maybe we do get that 850 here on the open. She's looking pretty wild. Before we get started, guys, I just want to remind you that if you are looking for a prop firm to trade with, we have updated our prop firm matrix. The link for it is in the chat, pinned in the chat. Also, it's linked in our bio. If you're watching on TikTok, you can pin basically all the four top prop firms that we trade with. You can put them up next to each other. I am currently right now trading the Trade Day Fast Pass 50K end of day. Let's pin that against the 50K growth on Tradeify. And let me refresh this because Tradeify is 35% off right now. Let me refresh that. Okay. Yeah, let's go 50K end of day with Apex, 50K Fast Pass. Let's go with a Tradeify 50K growth and Lucid 50K flex. Okay, what do we got? Right now we've got Apex 90% off, but they do have activation fee. Trade Day 50% off, Tradeify 35% off, and Lucid 30% off. So that makes the total cost 144 for Apex, 90 for Trade Day, 94 for Tradeify, and 98 for Lucid. So right now Trade Day is the big winner. I like their Fast Pass account. I really do. It does not have the best drawdown to profit ratio, but it does have a very good drawdown to cost ratio at 4.5 right now. That's the first place winner right now is Trade Day. You can trade 2 minis or 20 micros once you pass your account. During the eval, you could trade a lot more than 2 minis, I believe. You need to trade it for 3 days minimum on the eval, 5 days minimum on the funded side, and you have a 45% consistency rule on the eval. No consistency rule on the funded. You can have up to 6 funded accounts, I believe now. Or 5, I think. 5 or 6. I got to double check on this. I think it's 5. 5 live at one point, so that's good. 6 is you can have 6 evals, but I think you can have 5 fundeds. I gotta update this. And all the coupon codes and the links for the prop firms are right here. So you just click on that, and it'll automatically take you to the place you need to be. Just like that. Awesome. Also check out the free indicator that we have, guys, over at TradingView. If you guys want to check out TradingView and get this Smooth Trader Volume 2 kit completely free, just go there, give us a like, and go down and leave a little comment here for us. That would mean a lot to us. It would mean a whole lot. And if you guys want to use the Pro version, you guys are going to see us use it today, and that's the reason why I got into this long trade here. Even though common sense would tell you don't trade against the trend is red. We did almost hit this level down here at 30,700. And we do have some unresolved business to the upside. So we got real close, missed it by a hair here. And then I saw some really bullish indications here. So I took a chance on this long in the pre-market here, just to kind of show you guys how easily you can make these trades happen once you understand how to read the price action on the Smooth Trader concepts. So not a bad entry there on that move. Paul says, good morning, traders. My friend with a stuttering problem just went to prison. I'm afraid he may never finish his sentence. Administration processes 10% tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and EU over forced labor. That's per Politico. Thank you for that. Short seller Andrew left found guilty of securities fraud. Yeah, I think I heard something about that. What's up, Joey? Good morning, brother. He's the real life Bobby Axelrod, right? I think that's his name. All right. We're good. We're cooking here. We're cooking. Good morning to the TikTok people in here. Good morning to you guys. Hopefully most of you are not bots. Let's see if we can get some followers on TikTok today, guys. I'm trying to see if we can get above 450, 350 today. I'm trying to hit a 350 on our follower count. Market should be opening here in just a moment. We'll be looking for some great opportunities. Today we are copy trading. I think it's either 10 or 11 accounts. We are about $400 or $500 away from passing our new trade day account. Did really well on that one yesterday as well. And yeah, we'll go from there. We will go from there. I've been prolonging taking any payouts from my live accounts on Take Profit Trader. We could take a real hefty payout right now, but I want to wait just a little bit longer. I think I want to cross over 4K on my main account. We'll see. We'll see. Should be getting there soon. What's up, Dotan? Justin Mokada, what's up? What's up? Good morning to you. Good morning to the fine folks over on TikTok, Twitch, and Kick. Alright. He's looking kind of heavy. Go ahead and move this into profits now. Market's about to open. No, I'm just talking to him about a paper trade I have on. All right, guys. All right. Well, today I am using my standing desk. I've been tired of sitting so much. The sitting has really messed with my my posture and my shoulder. I went to the doctor yesterday for my shoulder. He gave me a shot, so I'm feeling good. I think I can get back to playing basketball now, so I'm excited about that. One person was killed and more than 60 were injured after Iran launched missiles and drones at Kuwait and Bahrain overnight. Yeah, I was reading something about that. It's getting crazy out there. Yeah, today we do have news coming up too. I'm gonna put an alert on so I don't make that mistake I made yesterday. Today being Wednesday, we have ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. And we do have Secretary Bassett speaking, Treasury Secretary Bassett speaking today too. So let me set that alert now. Hey Siri, set an alert for 9:58 a.m. Yeah. All right. Markets are open in just about right now. All right, guys. So let's see what this market will do here. She is pushing. Look at that huge run up there. Holy smokes, man. Holy smokes. Can you guys believe it? And see if we can cross over that 800 barrier. Is that going to be a new all-time high? Yeah, I think that might be a new all-time high if we go ahead and break that. Crazy how anybody thought this market was going to sell off. Did you really? Did you guys really think the market was going to sell off? Silly you guys. Silly guys. You guys are very silly. Man, they are pushing here, guys. They are pushing. Bullish to break the high at 797 at open, says Gordo. What's up, Gordo? Good morning. News at 9:45 as well. Is there really? Wow, look at that push. The U.S. is in the final stages of talks with Iran. Pool report. Okay. 9:45, final services PMI. That one's a yellow folder. I don't know if it's going to give us much. I guess we're going to start breaking some more all-time highs. Let's go, WinQ. What's NVIDIA and Mag 7 doing? Mag 7 pushing higher. Nvidia had a little pop, but starting to sell off now. You think it's going to be a green day? Hopefully for a P&L.
P&L?
Yeah, for a profit and loss.
Sorry, when you say P&L, I think about taxes.
It's an accounting term. All right, we got a new all-time high. Let's see if we can go up to 830 now.
Yo, me too.
Good morning, Gordo. All right, we might get a little bit of a pullback here once the ES hits the VWAP, or not. We'll see. We'll see. Why does the 5 minute have a green there? Getting a MOAS power long here on the 5 minute. Wowzers. That'll confirm in a minute 45. Crazy moves here, guys. Crazy moves. Crazy. Crazy like Eddie. What a pullback. Wild morning here, guys. Wild morning. The market doesn't know where it wants to go. Oil is heading down a little bit. Trump says we're in the final stages of peace talks. Which one is it? Do we have unrest or peace talks? Is Israel on our side or not, or their own side? Stay tuned. All right, looks like we had to fake out to the upside first here. New all-time high. Maybe a move lower, perhaps. Could be, could be. What a move. What a move here. Khan is short. Nice, Khan. Khan's a short beast. What a sell-off. This right here is a good indication that the market's going to dump this candle plus this candle here together. Make it look like it's going to go down. Target on this move is 640. 640 is down here, this green line. That's my first target if it continues to go. Huge sell-off though. Bigger sell-off than pump this morning. $25 on the 1 minute ATR. 5 minutes dumpy.
This thing dumps so far.
Yeah. You can't always trust the first move on the Yankee. You can't really trust its first move.
Yeah, exactly. They kind of sound like a waterfall.
Oh yeah. She made that pump look like nothing. What's up, Candace? Good morning. How you doing? Good morning to you guys here in the TikTok world. 640 might be coming up soon here. Wow, what a monster. Dumperoni. It's a 150 point rejection there from the 800 level.
Oh, that's good. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this thing's selling off. Might continue to sell here. 5 minute, not looking too hot. Nice push right back up to VWAP. Still missed that 640 level. Wow, this is a pretty significant turn of events here. I'll let this market settle down a little bit. Shit, crazy. She a bit wild here. What a wild open. So it could be trapping some shorts down here at this 660s. Big turn of events. Big turn of events. We missed 640 though. Are they going to come back for 640? That is the question. We missed the 640s. We're right at VWAP right now. Right at the VWAP. And they are ripping here.
They're good. It's they're all fine.
Careful with the price action here at the VWAP. It's getting kind of choppy. Still pretty choppy, not really anything clear yet. It's like the 15 seconds pointing to more upside. ES is slipping. Looking for a lower right now. Hedge pressure on the S&P, says Khan. What's up, New Life? Captain Doink, what's going on? Oil still selling? Yeah, it looks that way. Caught that long, Joey? Nice, brother. Good for you. Good for you, my friend. Looks like we're heading down to hit that 640 level. Looks pretty good. Did we get here? $640 move like it's coming right now. Right down to here, this green line. After this, we might get a decent bounce, maybe, maybe not. Or maybe just a continued sell-off. No signs of any strength just yet. $640 hit to the T. ES also hit its target. Go ahead and take this one off. No, not yet. Should have probably shorted it here after the VWAP, but it got a bunch of mixed signals there. ES taking out major levels now. This is next here, 75.92. All right, NQ took out 640. ES took out another level. Crazy. We're just barreling through these levels right now. Looks like the NQ might be putting in another 5-minute MOAS power show right now in the next 4 minutes. That target's going to be down in the 400s. Today could be a red day. It's been a while since we've seen one of those. We're at the overnight lows, I believe, right here. 560. At 560. Still pushing, still pushing. No stopping her. This thing has turned into a red waterfall here. Made 750 off that short. Beautiful move. Red wave is starting to get really, really strong. What a sell off here. Yeah, it's getting heavy. We've got a target right now at this overnight low, 550, 560. Yeah, I'm pushing. They're pushing. Next level here, if we take this one out, we've got this white line down here that was the Tory trend line that's been holding up price. Could come and test it. Could be that. That could be what they want. Just sold off pretty hard. Was not able to get into this short. I wanted to short it from right here, and I hesitated. I don't like trading the VWAP too much. I got in trouble with it yesterday, and I didn't do it today, and it caused us to miss this move down. It's all good. Wait for the next one. Should get a pretty nice bounce too at some point. Dumperoni, cheese, macaroni. Yeah, trade Conte. Yeah, strong selling. 2008 lows, please, says Levolution. It couldn't go up forever, says Mo. Yeah. It could not go up forever. We made a new all-time high, though. Who says you can't short all-time highs? We are putting in another level on the 5-minute target to the downside in the 400. So let's go ahead and map that out.
Did you tell that you're gonna have to leave earlier today?
What time do I gotta leave by?
Well, where's Monty?
It's about 30 minutes from here.
So that's how long we have.
What time do I gotta be there?
12:15, but technically 12,
So I gotta leave here by 11:30.
basically.
Okay. Guys, I leave 11:30 today. We had a 5-minute target down here, guys. 5-minute target. Crazy sell-off. They are not. They are not letting this thing go. We got a 1 minute all the way down here now at 2:30. Wow. Crush this. Get this out of here. Crush that. All right, showing a little bit of strength here. Babe, we might take a one contract long here in just a sec. Okay.
Yeah, I heard you.
Up to 620 maybe, or we'll see. Give it a second. It should have a pullback. It should. Maybe it won't, but it should. Cascade selling. We've got imbalances all the way up to where? balances all the way up to here. At least here for now. Got more imbalances out to here. I know, because I put it on. I just put it on footprint for a second. I'm just checking for imbalances there, guys. Just checking for imbalances. That thing just ripped. Should have taken the long. Yeah, we got a 50 on the ATR right now. Massive, massive, massive ATRs. Too slow this morning. I am too slow. I am way too slow. Oh no? Okay. We got a target to 345. 345, 345. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, I think the move is going to be for shorts. We could have a long up to 650s here first. Target to the 650s here is not out of the question. ATR is 45. ATR is massive. Big ATRs right now. Watch your sizing. All right, guys, we have news coming up in 1 minute. After that, I'll be actively looking for a trade. The shorts here look pretty good, and that's probably what I'll be going with once this news breaks. I'm frozen? No, I'm not frozen. I was just too slow. I'm not frozen. You're a better trader than I. What can I say, Con? Looks like no. I was definitely too short today, though. I'm too slow today. I saw something I liked up here on the 1 minute, and I hesitated. Right here, I saw something I liked for shorts here, and I hesitated. That's my fault. I wanted to see something like this, but not at the VWAP. At the VWAP, things can get pretty tricky, so the short here, I hesitated on that. The long here, I'm not convinced yet on the long. I liked it, but not enough to marry it right now, because the shorts look a lot better. 5 minute is definitely asking for shorts. So we'll wait for this news to break here at 10 o'clock, and then we'll figure out where we go. We'll figure out where we go from there. News in 5 seconds. All right, here comes a little bit of a move to the upside possibly here. Let's see if it goes. Got that 10 a.m. little piece of news coming out. Maybe some juice to the upside. Up to 650. Try the long, babe. Go long. Long. Right now, stop at 30, 530. Stop at 530. And TP at 650. Longs right here to 650 look pretty good. I forgot to put it on here. Stop loss, I'm putting it down here at 30. And TP 650. It's looking pretty good. Let's see if they continue to push. Daler, thank you for the follow over on TikTok. Appreciate you. All right, markets are pushing right now. Looking for upside. Let's See if we can get this first one here at 650. Good solid push.
Scared me.
Let's see if we can get 650 here on this move. Come on in Q. Could be a little resistance here after the 660 level.
Yes.
A little bit more of a push here on Q. A little bit more.
How long is the appointment? Usually?
650 will take it to 714. Thank you, Con.
What's the latest we can go? Okay, then that is okay, thank you. We don't have anything earlier? Do you have anything else? Sorry, give me 1 second. Babe, that's Michaela to get her ECG tomorrow in the morning or night.
She can't go to practice because of it?
I'm gonna try to ask them.
Okay.
But from 8 or 9.
You? If you can take,
Okay, I got it.
I'll take Catalina. You go at 8. Okay.
Alright, we'll do 8 o'clock. Thank
All right. Let's see if we can get this push up to 650 here a little bit.
you so much.
Come on, 650. Okay. Thanks, babe. You're the best. Oil seems to be falling here pretty quickly. NQ is pushing higher. Yeah, we're getting a pretty solid move to the upside. Pretty solid on the 5-minute. My phone? All right, we almost got that first hit. Did you get your TP
It
back?
was close. It wasn't there.
Oh my God, mine just literally
I got it.
tapped it and didn't go. Yeah, literally just tapped it and didn't go. It'll come around. Hopefully. Hopefully 650 isn't that much of a Karen.
I don't know where I wanted all.
Yeah, that's cool. You got your stops, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, I can't believe she missed me by a hair. Like an iota. What is this about? Yo, she really did just miss me right now by a hair. I was at 649.50 and she missed me. That's crazy. They always do this wild stuff. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. He might be coming up for that 650 now. Got one at 650, one at 680. Let's see if it goes. Can we push here in Q? Can we push just a little bit more? These psychological levels, man, they're really something. Come on, 650. All right, we got one. We got one. You got your TP, babe?
Huh?
You got your TP?
Take it.
No, did you get your TP?
Okay, huh?
Did you get your TP, I said?
No.
Oh.
It touched it and then went down.
Oh my God, again?
It's not even like that.
You're not paying attention.
Sorry, I'm trying to task. Okay, well,
Multitask.
close on the brain.
Who? Patty?
That Patty, yeah.
Did you take yours or no?
No.
Oh, it's still open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody's following my
Yeah, you're not paying attention. Move it to 660.
Move it to what?
660. Come on in Q. Push a little more, baby. A little more. A little more and give a little more, baby. Okay, we got our first.
Come on, man.
You don't have all day. You do gotta go at 11, right? Yeah. Oh, you got it? Nice. How much you make?
119.
Okay, that's not bad. And see if they'll give us 680 on the next push.
How can I check yesterday?
What do you mean by check yesterday?
Like,
Check how much you made yesterday?
yeah.
You go to, you go here,
Where? Okay,
Okay.
okay.
go to yesterday, and go. Then -128. So you
Okay,
just
so
made
I'm almost there.
you made
I'm making it up. Because that's kind of what I was trying to get.
Yeah.
Trying to do.
It's better when you do it on a new day.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can get this push to 680 here. See that the VWAP is looking tempting enough for the NQ. Take it, NQ, take it, take it, take it, take it, NQ, take it.
When you say take it, that's when it scares me because
Mhm.
you're saying just take it, take it.
No, I'm talking to the NQ. Alright. Alright, good. We got a nice hit. We got a nice hit. I wanted you to add another one, babe, but you were too preoccupied. You were doing some. It's alright.
So do I keep it at 1?
Yeah, keep it at 1. Yeah, these ATRs are way too big. Currently, I changed my leader account to one of my sim funded accounts because I noticed that my live account being the leader, it gave us really bad fills. And yesterday, we got filled on a scam wick, and my wife and Patty did not, and they were trading sim, and I was trading live. So I think the fills are much better with having a sim account as your leader. So if you guys ever copy trade, make sure your leader account is not a live account; it's a sim account. Those get much better fills. So if you get a bad fill on your live, it transfers to all your sims. So yesterday, all my sim accounts, they got whacked yesterday with that scam wick at 10 a.m. yesterday. None of them would have gotten filled, and I wouldn't have had that big loss at 10 a.m. if I wouldn't have had my leader account as, if my live account as the leader. Nice, Joey. Made some nice profits. That's good, brother. Congratulations, guys. Can I get some W's in the chat? Or if not, give us some emojis in the chat here. Help us out big time. Thanks, Patty. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys. All right, she's still moving. She's still going. No slowing down. I'm going to just trade my eval. I only need $200 to pass that eval now. Let's see if I can get those $200. And then if we do, maybe we'll have time to get another one going. Update. All right, cool. Our eval right now only needs, I think, a few $100. Wow, what a push. Yeah, we only need $250. So let me set a limit today, 250 plus 200, 450, 440, 450. 190 plus I need 250, 440. I need 440. I need 440 to pass. I already made 190. So we don't need that much. You okay? Yeah, I know you're doing like 10 things at once. I can barely do one thing at once. All right. Going to all-time high, says M. Guild. He sees it coming. If we get a rejection and drop back below VWAP, I'll short it, says Con. Thanks, E-Mini Badger. I did catch a real nice trade yesterday afternoon. I made up for some of my early morning losses. I didn't take it with too much size. What's this called? Claude, yeah, my AI, Claude, Jean-Claude Van Damme, has told me that whenever you take a big loss, don't try to make it all back in one trade. Actually go half your size or even smaller and just make it back little by little. So that's what I did yesterday. I started with 1 micro, added into the trade, and then we took it up for like 100 points at that 2 o'clock pump. That was a pretty good move. Yeah, this looks like it wants to keep going. We might go up to 7, this next white line up here, this 750 line. The 750 line has more imbalances up there. We'll see what happens. FAE Sport, thank you for the follow. Let's see where we are right now. We're at 337. We need 350. Can we get 350 subs? We need a few more. Just a few more. I'll break down that trade for you guys that we took in here after that 10 o'clock news, after that 10 a.m. news. I saw that there was a real big, the market wanted to come up and grab these imbalances at the 640s and 650s. It wanted to grab those imbalances bad. It just needed a reason. So when in here after the news, I saw something really bullish on a 15-second, which I'll show you guys right now. If you look at the 15-second here after 10 a.m., we are right around, yeah, right here. After this, the 10 a.m. news, this candle showed this trap short indication right here with big volume. That made me go long. Stop loss down here. TP is up here. After that, it was a wrap. So if you look at that 15-second, we put in that trap short indication there, but it also had high volume. So when you got a trap short with high volume, that's money. And then we got the MOAS power long on a 15-second. And I saw those imbalances up there around 650 that hit perfectly up to our 650 and 680 levels. And right now she's continuing to chop here at the VWAP. That's not where I want to get into a trade at the VWAP. How do you like those mangoes, babe?
Texture. I haven't eaten yet, but I was telling about it's really delicious.
The mango that you're having is from Victoria's dad's house.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, so is that the one I always want?
No, this one's from Victoria's dad's house. It's really good too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, guys, let's get some thumbs up. Sam B is right.
No, mine should be.
Can't expect slower right now. 1K payout on my trade day funded E-mini Badger. That's beautiful, brother. Oh yeah, this looks like it could dump here. Looks like it could dump.
Yeah.
Hmm?
This is kind of girly. But have you ever watched Anastasia?
Anastasia? I watched it with you.
I'm talking about the movie.
No, I watched it with you though. I watched the live one, the live action.
Never watched the cartoon.
No, I never have. Never have.
Okay. Why never gonna happen?
Kind of short right now, 698. What, baby?
Why never?
I don't know. What do I look like?
Ask any other.
I'll watch anything that you and the girls want to watch. I've watched cheerleading movies.
That's what I'm saying.
I've watched Pitch Perfect with you guys.
That's not for the girls, so that's not for me.
All right, well, Pitch Perfect was your idea, I think, no? Come on.
That's not all the Disney movies.
Like I said, I'm going to make you watch some of those 80s movies like the Police Academy. Tell Patty, you're going to watch Police Academy, Naked Gun. You're going to watch all of Chevy Chase's movies, Spies Like Us. You're going to watch all of them. Watch. I'm going to make you and the girls, I'm going to have you guys watch all my 80s comedies. 710 again? Oh, they're hilarious.
Okay.
710 again, says Samby?
Patty's yelling at me like, you don't know Chevy Chase?
Yeah, she better yell at you. He's the GOAT.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Airplane. Airplane was a great one too, with Leslie Nielsen.
His face, but not his.
I'm really aging myself right now. Those are good movies. Yeah, if you guys have never seen any Leslie Nielsen or Chevy Chase movies from the 80s and 90s, you have not lived yet, guys. You have not lived.
I'm gonna Google Chevy Chase.
You know who he
Yeah,
is
that's the
from
guy
Christmas
from
Vacation.
Christmas movie.
Yeah, you haven't watched Euro Vacation. You haven't watched. Oh, you saw. I think I made you see Family Summer or when they went to Wally World. I think you've seen you never seen Euro Vacation. Or Euro Vacation is hilarious.
What was the other Lisa what?
Huh? Police Academy.
No, you said another person's name.
Leslie Nielsen. Leslie Nielsen. He died. He passed away already. He's dead. He's gone with the
Oh,
wind.
I remember him.
He was hilarious.
Yeah, he was funny.
You like my comedy film taste? Surely you can't be serious. I'm 30. I watched Airplane. It changed my life. That was objectively hilarious. Yeah, it is hilarious. Babe, we got somebody here younger than you who watched Airplane. You gotta watch Airplane. I'm okay with this bear, says Con. Real Steel. 710 area is Border Patrol, says Samby. What, baby?
He was in Scary Movie 3, that's how I know him.
He was in Scary Movie 3? Who was Leslie Nielsen?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
I didn't know that.
Because the other movies I've never seen before. I'm not that young, however. I said I have to watch Caddyshack?
Caddyshack is hilarious too. Back to School. Yeah, with Rodney Dangerfield. You gotta watch. No, Back to School.
No, but it's like The Breakfast Club.
Nothing like The Breakfast Club.
Oh.
They're building long liquidity, says Khan. Seabird says, I don't short anymore. Waiting for another long opportunity. The best part on airplane was when the lady translates jive on the plane. I enjoyed Naked Gun, but nothing hit like Airplane. I kind of jumped into the rabbit hole after I watched Airplane. The baseball scene as Naked Gun was hella funny when he's umpire. Oh yeah, remember that when he's the umpire? Or when he dressed up as the opera singer. Triple Lindy we got? Yeah, Triple Lindy to the downside right now. Your broadcast is over 20 minutes late. No, hit live. You gotta hit live, Paul, on your bottom left. Hit live. 735 has liquidity waiting to be grabbed. I'm waiting for the 5 minute to speak to me here. 5 minute really hasn't given me anything that I'm excited about yet.
Patty says she can't go to a golf cart without singing the theme song of
Caddyshack. Hold on, guys.
You guys are so funny. I have not seen any.
They're the best. They're life changing for real.
I'm just like, I do always watch like chick flicks.
That liquidity will take us to 800, says Raphael. Con says we're going lower. Are you on a short? Oh, you are on a short, you said, right? You break through the upside hard. I haven't got any signals yet to go in any direction yet. VBOT for me is like no man's territory. Too much indecisiveness at the VWAP for me. On the 5 minute, we do have a target to the downside still. It's still, we still have a very, very real target to the downside on the 5 minute. So the triple indies don't like the move to the upside yet. We still have some imbalances up to 760. A better short for me, I think, would be from the daily to 750. I think a better short for me would be around here. They haven't grabbed this liquidity from here yet. 730s. So I said I probably wouldn't short until we get up to 750. Careful here, guys. Here comes the short push now. We're going back to lows, says Khan.
This one is better than favorite.
They're all slightly different.
Yeah, this one's not my favorite.
But please eat it.
No, I'm gonna eat it.
Might actually end up getting a power long here on the 5 minute. Things are still looking kind of bullish. Longs are cabbage higher, setting up a trap to slam. Yeah, could be. It don't lie, watch the tape. Yeah, I think we might be getting a power long here. It's looking kind of crazy. Oh, baby?
This brand.
Where? Where'd you go today?
No, brand.
What?
Brand.
Oh, bread?
I'm a girl, but I'm really gonna make bread. You never ate bread?
Khan and Sambi both looking for shorts right now. The 15-second has a target to the downside for a short down at 650.
So there was this mom last week, we went to Walmart, and she saw this like little container. It's like a big container. I don't know if you remember when we were in Kuwait and Bahrain, but it has a lot of crackers in it. I kid you not, every time mom bought it, I would eat like half of it in one day or like within 2 days. Mind you, it's a big box.
It's ripping.
I always put butter on top of it, or mayonnaise.
Going. 720 next. 750 maybe coming up now.
They're so good. It's unbelievably. And then I felt a little bit nostalgic. I swallowed, devoured that.
VWAP for the ES still has some room to go.
You never had them as a kid, babe?
Yeah.
They're not Kellogg, right?
Yeah, they are.
I love crackers.
Yeah, we closed the power long on the 5-minute. Market still wants higher, possibly the 750 area here to clear out those imbalances. You see that white line I have here at 728, or I'm sorry, not 728, 754, 753. Watch for shorts possibly around there. What does it mean when the ES and EQ are out of their usual sync, being opposite of each other? Some people use that as like a divergence. They call it SMT. I don't really care too much about it. I just try to trade the individual asset with what I'm seeing. If you add too many factors into the mix, you just end up confusing yourself and adding more confluence that you need to check, and then create analysis paralysis a lot of times with it. You're short on 2 accounts now? Good job, man. 560 is your target, Con? Nice, man. I'm done for the day. Locked out all accounts, says Kamal. Good job, brother. You made some money today, I hope. Longs are still prevailing here, in my opinion. At the 5 minutes, still looks really strong. We might be able to get some, maybe a short around 750, I would say, unless she continues to barrel through. think we got 750 coming real soon. Wow, the 30-minute looks crazy strong. I just noticed it. It does need 26 minutes to confirm, but the structure she's putting in looks like we're going to make new all-time highs. If it closes around the area we are now, or maybe a little bit lower, it is looking insanely strong. Holy smokes. Yeah, check this out, guys, on the 30-minute. She's trying to confirm a trap short indication here on the 30. Big absorption here and then good follow through. As long as we can close this candle above the 680s, it should have a trap short indication with a move higher. And the 5-minute looks really bullish as well. Sam B, your paper trading? Longs need to be cleared from the book. If I don't lock, I get tempted. Yeah, smart. Yeah, just trade a paper trade account or an eval. That's what I do. I'm pretty much done with all my trading for today as well. I just want to try to pass this eval. We just need 240, 250 bucks more to lock in another funded account. With Trade Day, if you guys want to trade with Trade Day as well, Trade Day has a really good sale right now, 50% off. You can get an account like I did, a 50K for only $90. It's really good. V-shapes don't last, says Khan. Watch the bear. Ballard says, I think it's a bear too. Next Gen has great deals right now, says Ryan. I gotta check. I gotta look into them. I'm not so familiar with Next Gen. Good pullback. Nice pullback. No real volume, big volume, no green delta, no green diamond candles on the way up. Not yet. No real significance on this move higher. Structure looks good. Yeah, structure looks real good. Yeah, VWAP is not the ideal place to be taking these trades. Okay. Okay. Here comes 750, guys. Here might come 750. Possibly 750. This 1 minute right now looks super bullish. Next 5 seconds, we close this candle on the 1 minute. It looks real strong right now. Could give us that move up to 740, 750. Careful with your shorts right now. Buyers are trying to escape this area. See if they can do it. What, 750? We're going to make that push up to 750. That is the question. ES also has the VWAP right above it. We're going to push the 750s here maybe. All right, looking better, looking better. We need buyers to step in here and push this candle to turn green if we can. Maybe we get the 740s on this. 750s. Come on, NQ. Make that move, make that move. Let's go, NQ. Let's go, NQ. Push, girl. Go, NQ, go. Why you always do this to me? Why Why you always do this to me, Q? I took it off. It's losing strength. It sucked. All right, we hit the daily open. We did take out some liquidity up here at 740. This is going to give us an ugly looking, a real ugly looking doji candle more than likely. ES not looking so hot. NQ looking a lot better. $7.30 kiss. Nice job. NQ a lot more bullish in the ES this morning. $30 still looking spectacular to the upside. 5-minute kind of so-so. ES looking dumpy. A 5-minute on the NQ getting kind of doji-ish. Could make room for another pullback. What's up, Mathis Mill? Thanks for the follow, Holler. It seems like a lot of people are trading pretty well today, Mathis Mill. Your account is back to all-time highs. Good job, brother. We're not dropping down hard completely yet, says Sambi. All right, 5 minutes looking a little bit suspect right now on the NQ. She's getting us a little bit of a doji candle at the moment. I wouldn't say it's a signal yet to short, but the 1 minute's looking a little weak. We might come back to test this level right here. Might come back to test this level right here, where this green diamond came in. So let me give this a little bit more room here. And I will show you this. This could be support. That was bought up pretty heavily. This right here at 667. 650 kiss, maybe. Alex going long in the 660s. What's up, Darluck? How you doing, brother? Guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting those likes. Okay. I mean, you had a good day. Let's not push it. Yeah, ES looking a little weak here. ES definitely looking weak. Let's see how they react here in the 660s. She can go down as low as the 620s possibly even. Things could get pretty ugly on the 30 if we end up closing below 680s. Nice long here from 660s. Buyers seem to be pushing here. See if they can get back above the VWAP. Buyers are still trying here. Ooh, not looking so hot. Five-minute looks a little bearish. 1 minute also trailing behind. The 30-minute needs about 4 minutes to confirm a trap short indication, but she doesn't look the strongest either. Looks like the shorts might be prevailing here. This white line may not be enough to hold her up. She loses this white line, it's going to get dumpy. Yeah, this is a real difficult area here between the VWAP and the support that we have here on this white line and the resistance we had at the daily open, making it pretty difficult to figure out what direction she may want to go. Right now it looks like it's lower. I guess 740 might have been all she wanted. 5-minute looking a little dumpy, and the 30-minute may not end up closing with a trap short. It might end up closing with a power short. Things could be turning around here. ES looking real heavy on the 5-minute and the 1 minute. Are we finally going to see a red day? Is price going to stay under the daily open? Could it be? One minute left to close that 30-minute candle. It'll be 11 o'clock when we do. That should give us some juice. Yeah. Indecisive candle on the 30 when it does close. Very indecisive. Another doji. 5-minute looks heavy, 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 heavy. Are they going to bounce here? Getting another trap short indication. Is it going to follow through? We need 60 bucks to pass. We need 60 bucks. We miscalculated that one. Let's see, 1 would equal 20 points would be 20, 40. 40. So we need 2. We need 60 bucks and we'll pass this. 2 on 20 would give us 2, 20, 40, 80. Yeah, babe? What, baby? Huh? All right, let's see if we can get this move up again after double tapping this white line here. Market may want to continue pushing higher to the 750s possibly, or maybe a high of day. Let's see what transpires. The what, baby? Japanese stuff?
Yeah, the spicy thing.
Oh, okay, thanks, babe.
Okay.
Love you.
Nothing else you need, right?
No, we're good.
The farmer cheese coming.
Okay. All right, see if we can get this push back up to these highs, maybe around 750. That would be something. Thanks for the follow. Ali, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. We need 715 for the pass. Can we get 715? 15 more points. We need 715 for the pass. 715 would be right up in here. Let's see if we can get 715. 715 for the pass. Come on, 715. Come on, 715. Give us 715 and cube. Push to 715. NQ. Let's go, NQ. 715, baby. 715. Know what I mean? Let's go. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Don't do me dirty like you always do.
Do you want to take the Tesla, or do you want me to take it? Because I'm just thinking about it and taking it.
Then I'll go. I'll take the Tesla, then it's further. Thank you, baby. Love you too. Zoom out. Am I too zoomed in? Come on, 715. Let's go. 715 push. 715 push. 715 push. $7.15 push, baby. Come on, 715. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 715. 715. Let's go. 715. Let's push 715. It's not looking too hot right now at 715. 715, not looking too hot. Why are you not looking so hot, 715? $7.15, let's go, baby. Bars are still in this, guys. They're still in this. They're still in this. They're still in it. They haven't given up yet. They said, I ain't hear no bell. Buyers said they ain't hear no bell. Let's go, baby. 7:15. Man, she's slow rolling at this VWAP. Got a chance here. As long as we can close this candle green, she's got a good chance. If we can't close it green, then they might be trying to bring it back down. Let's see, let's see. Oy. Not looking so hot here. Not looking so hot, NQ. Push NQ, we need you at 7:15, baby. Let's go to 7:15. Come on, girl. Come on. We need you at 7:15. $7.15. Can you do it? Can you do it, NQ? Can you do it? She's choppy. She likes to choppy. She's choppy. Damn, NQ, why you gotta be so mean? NQ, you can be pretty mean sometimes. NQ, why you gotta be so mean? Come on, NQ 715, baby. That's all we need. That's all we need. 715. Give us that little baby push. Give us that little baby push. Let's go, NQ. Let's go. Push, NQ. Push it, NQ. Push it, NQ. 715, NQ. 715, baby. Come on. Little more. Little more. There we go. Did we pass? We passed. $53,013 hairs. All right. All right. We got ourselves another eval. We passed it in the minimum allowed days to pass, which is 3 days. And I think we did it perfectly. We did it perfectly. All right. I'm done trading. I'm done trading for today. Hopefully you guys did well today also. That's it for me. Thanks, Blart. Nice work. Thanks, Horace. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up on some of these comments. Sam B says we're going up now. No worries. Trust the SEC indicator. I did. That's why I went long. You may get 720, says Sam B. It looks like we did. We are getting 720s here. It's a scalper's market, says Momo. They're reloading the bid. Offer is heavy, says Khan. Prepare for a slam. Sorry, Smooth, I am with Khan on this one. I see 580 come back in play, says Levolution. 720, most likely before another huge drop, says Sam B. Overall, the NQ is currently bearish, macro-wise, but we have a bit of upside left, says Sam B. Thanks, Darlock. I appreciate it, man. Half of us were right. That's usually how it is. That's how you make a market. Thanks, Joni. Thank you, Raphael. Appreciate you guys. All right. What she does now, who knows? I think we could still get 730 before the ultimate slamorama. But the market is just very, she's very stubborn. Look at this MV wave. It's megaphoning out, up and down at the same time. Yeah, very, very stubborn. Very stubborn. Damn, we hit 715 and then dumped right after that. That's crazy. Right to the T. We still got a bullish indication on the 30-minute. That did close as a trap short indication. So we might have made the low for the day. If we look at the 30-minute here, it did close. It did close with a trap short indication. That means that we might have made this low for the day, guys. We might have made the low. I'm not saying 100% guarantee, but the odds are in the favor that we probably did. If we can close this candle right here, this power long candle with a flat-ish bottom, we kind of have a flat-ish bottom right now. Not completely flat, but somewhat flat right now. We could end up seeing a lot higher on the NQ. Crazy, right? Does this market ever go down? So right now, I am completely done. We're still chopping this VWAP. In case you guys are wondering, I did have to make a reset on the what's that called? On the auto trader. I programmed it yesterday, so it will close all trades at 4:50 p.m. 4:55 actually. And because of it, it did not take some trades last night because I thought it was still in a trade, so I had to make some updates this morning. But even though, if we look at yesterday into today's, yesterday being last night, custom range, let's look at last night. Last night was the 2nd from time, 7 p.m. That would be 19, right? No, not 7 p.m., 6 p.m. That would be 18. 18. Let's look at yesterday from the open till today, being Wednesday. And let's go to the performance. It did $158 because one of the strategies was working, the other one was not working, and a loss of $16. That's not bad. So it is 1-1 right now. Not bad at all. And yeah, that's it pretty much. It should have been in some other trades that would have been winners, but since I had to make some updates, it did miss 1 or 2 trades that would have been a little bit higher in the P&L. So I can't wait to have this thing fully functional. We did send in some money to the Tradeovate yesterday, so we can get it going hopefully soon. I'm gonna give it about 30 days for it to run its course and see how well it does, and then we'll We'll dip our toe in the water. Watch it dump now, says Blarp. Khan's still in his shorts. I expect new low of day. Excuse me, 705, then back down to 670. 705 kiss. Bro, release it already. Enough of this skepticism. I'm going to put real money behind it soon. Send me the code. I will fix it. No. I got it. I got it working. I got it working, Blarp. Don't worry. I got it working. The thing with the code is that you fix one thing and you mess up something else. So yesterday I fixed the close all orders at 4:55. Close all orders, and because I closed all orders when the market opened back up, it thought it was still in the previous trade, so it wasn't taking more trades. So I actually ran the simulation with close all orders at the end of day, 4:55, 4:50, and it actually gave me back a higher P&L, so which is nice. So we actually made the strategy better by making it close all orders at 4:55, which is pretty dope. But I had to then this morning fix the issue that I found. You can't trade more than a micro, Blart? Really? What's wrong? You send it immediately, promise I will keep it to myself. Yeah, 100% Michael. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead here. Edit. Bring this puppy back into this update group. And that's it. Finito. We're good. Good. Market is all over the place at the moment. I don't like any trade right now. I don't like the longs or the shorts. The longs a little bit better just because we have a thick 30-minute green wave, and we do have trap shorts on the 30-minute. But the 5-minute is inconclusive. The 1 minute, it's all over the place. So if anything, we did get this MOS power short here with a target down to where my stop loss is right there. That's not the best. That's not looking too hot. This was serving as support here earlier. 3 times once, twice. 3rd time it broke it and found support again. So as long as she can respect the white line, she should be all right. But if they can't, then they're probably going to come down for this target on the MOS short, on the MOS power short right there, down to 620. I thought you were done. I am done for the day, but I was just trading an eval that needed like $200 more to pass. I'm paying $5,000 to the first 10 people to block me. Says the bot on TikTok. Thanks, TikTok bot. Hey guys, since I'm using the standing desk, anybody want to do squats or push-ups? Who's with me? I gotta stretch out this back a little bit. I'm standing here the whole time. I do have to leave at 11:30 because I gotta take my daughter somewhere. So I'll see you guys till 11:30 here. Let's see if we can get some of these likes rolling in. If you guys wouldn't mind, that would be something. Yeah, how many likes we got? We got 41 likes. Come on, guys. Come on. We can do it. Let's push them a little more. Don't hurt myself. I got a shot. I got a shot of cortisone yesterday. Not to be confused with cortisol. I got a shot of cortisone yesterday in my shoulder, in the right spot this time. So I think my shoulder's good. You don't want to fart. You ate Italian for lunch. Crazy RR. Isn't it a crazy RR smooth one? This is a crazy RR, isn't it? You got a shot of cortisol? This is a crazy RR. Yeah, just to make this guy happy. Let's make him a little happier. I gotta make him a little happier, so he doesn't think my My RR is crazy. Let's put it up at 850. Is that RR more of your to your liking now? I hope it's more to your liking. These school halls can echo when they are empty. All right, we broke the white line now. Broke the white line. She's getting dumpy. Dumpy, dumpy, dumpy. It's all over, guys. It's all over. Party's over. The walnut's not doing it. Taking something to make my... You're funny. Got a clear 540 bias, says Khan. Nice, man. 540 on the way, says Khan. Got about 8 minutes left here with you guys today. Yeah, she's getting kind of heavy. She's getting kind of heavy here. Watch this level at 643. There's no bounce there. 620's a lock. The MOAS here did not lie. MOAS power short to 620. Trapped longs up here with 2 power shorts following it up. Looks like the bears are taking control for the moment. Very nice push. All right, let's give it a little bit more room since that is our target on the MOAS power short. Maybe it'll just tap it and run back up. If not, then we'll just get out of it. Khan didn't lie. MOAS didn't lie. No one's lying. New lows of the day coming, says Khan. What's the new low of the day? Down to 400s? Yeah. That'd be something. I'd like to see this market sell off for once. Rumo says, I'm now short NQ. 36.91 is the entry point, expecting a sharp pullback to the downside. Yep, nice. Does anyone have a Tradeify select account with daily payouts? I do not. I do not. I should probably get some, but I'm working with Trade Day, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, and what's the other one? What's the other one I have? Apex? No, not Apex. Top Step. What do we got? We got Lucid, TPT, Top Step, and Trade Day right now. Those are the ones we're trading. You gonna go with daily payouts? Okay. Smart man. ES still had a level down here that it never hit, 75.66. Looks like the ES may want to go and look for that. NQ, she hit our major points. Does she have? We do have a 5-minute target down on the NQ that we put in earlier that she might be reversing back down for, and that level is down here at 347. We do have a Tory trend line here that'll probably overshoot at 390s. It'll probably overshoot the Tory trend line, make it dramatic down to 340s, and then go higher. Something like that could happen. So careful with the longs right now. Longs are probably not a thing at the moment. Structure on the 5-minute looks real weak for the bulls. Trap short indication here. Depending how this next candle closes, it could continue to run. If we end up closing this candle lower than where we currently are right now, it'll be a fake out. Right now the delta is favoring the bulls on this candle. Should close higher. Watch this move possibly to 850. Watch this to 850. Could go to 850. Delta is cooperating with this move big time. You see how she came right to this green line and then decided to turn around? That's not a coincidence. If she finds support above this white line on his next go around, then that means that she's probably gonna head up to 750 and then maybe 850. Wild, I know. Who would have thunk? 10 days straight with higher highs. Blar says 850 is crazy. Yeah. Crazier things have happened. Clean morning move, says Joey. Yeah, for sure. I do want to share something with you guys here. Let me share something with you guys. Let me go here. I'll give a shout out to Turbo Skeeter, who shared this with us. It's in our Discord. The 12 steps of trading, a trader's recovery framework. Sober and funded. I just opened this up this morning and it looks really good. It looks super clean, professional, and a lot of good information in here. 12 steps of trading. We admitted we were powerless over the market. Our trading has become unmanageable. Step 2, come to believe that a system greater than ourselves could restore us profitably. The process works if you work it. Step 3, made a decision to turn our trading over to the rules as we understood them, the notebook, the machine. Step 4, made a searching and fearless inventory of our trade journal, honest stats, no hiding. Step 5, admitted to ourselves the exact nature of our bad trades, no excuses. A B trade is a B trade. Step 6, we entirely ready to remove all defects of our trading character, identify our patterns, FOMO, revenge trading, acceleration. Step 7, humbly ask our system to remove our shortcomings, trust the rules over our feelings. Step 8, made a list of all accounts we had harmed, making amends to our account. Step 9, made direct amends wherever possible, sitting out, reducing size. That's what I did yesterday and it helped out big time. Earning back trust. Step 10, continued to take personal inventory of our trading, daily trade review, ongoing honesty. Step 11, sought through discipline and process to improve our conscious contact with the market. Study, morning prep, reading tape. Step 12, having had a trading awakening as a result of these steps, carried this message to other traders. This channel, sober and funded. So this, if you guys are interested in it, is in our Discord. It's in our Discord, and it is under. Let's see where it is. I'm pretty sure. Let me download this as if it's not already in our Discord, I'm gonna upload it now. Oh, markets are ripping. Look at that, guys. Who would have thunk the market would go up? Yeah, let's see if we can put this in psychology. I think Armando might have already done it. Maybe not. All right, I don't think he did. So let me put it in here now. Yep, 12 steps of trading workbook is now in our psychology. In our psychology channel over in Discord. So have at it, guys. Have at it. Anybody take this long? Sober and funded. What's wrong with being high and funded? Sounds like it came from AA. Maybe. We need to smoke me like Tory, then we can be profitable. It's not in the Discord. Yeah, I just put it in the psychology. I got it for 200. Nice, Ryan. Good job, man. Nice move. Market right now does not look like it wants to give up just yet. I do have to go though, guys, so I'm going to say a quick prayer for you guys and be out. Oh, this looks like it's going to dump now. This looks dumpy. Now this looks dumpy. This looks dumpy. This trap long indication here, doji, follow through candle. This looks dumpy. This is nice and dumpy. Yeah, and it may not hold this white line. If it doesn't hold this white line, this thing is going to dump harder than who knows what. Yeah, if it does not hold this white line, this price is done. And she's just going to, she's going to go to 640. I mean, not 640. What was that 5-minute target we have? Yeah, we have a 346 target. Yeah, it looks like that's what it wants now. Yeah, that was a nice trap move up there. Real nice trap. Yeah, if it takes out this level, it's going down to the 5-minute target that we have right here. 340. 340. This is the make or break move right here. If it does not hold these lows, it's going to 340. You know what they said, these lows ain't loyal. These lows ain't loyal. Yeah, this 5 minutes starting to look real bad. Real bad. So this is what I would do if I was still looking for a trade. Now that this 5-minute is finally going to show its hand, I would do something like this. If it closes just the way it is right now, it needs another 4 minutes to close, right? Let's just say it closes like this. my stop, and the reason I'm telling you this is because I gotta go. If I was to take this trade, my stop would be the wick of this light pink candle. If it does close the way it is now. If it doesn't close that way and it closes as a bullish candle or a doji, then I wouldn't be shorting it. And then my TP would be, I don't know if that smooth one person is going to agree with my RR. For those of you who are faint of heart, down to 400. For the ones who are, you know, got brass, a set of brass ones, you can go down to 350. That's what I would probably do. So right now, if this closes the way it is, in the next 3 minutes, that's the trade I would take. That is a risk to reward, almost 6, 5.7. But right now, it doesn't seem to want to close that way. So this may not work out. And if this one doesn't work out, and we end up getting that move back to the upside, that risk to reward is then going to be, let's say you catch it somewhere in there. Stop would be here. TP up 850. Some people say it's not possible. That's a 4.3 RR. So you pick your poison. Either one of these trades is the ones I'd be looking at right now. Either an 850 move to the upside or a 350 move to the downside. That's based on the 5 minute. Those are based on the 5 minute targets and the 5 minute price action. Right now, this does look very bearish. If it does close this way, that's what I would probably trade if we end up closing with a power short. Could be working out. If not, I'd trade the other one. If we end up getting a trap short indication with a move up. If we get a trap short indication somewhere and it wants to move up, then my target would be 650, 850 or 350. One or the other. Yeah, it looks like 350 is going to be the one. All right. So it looks like what it might be. Ooh, they're looking dumpy. They're looking dumpy. Okay, I'll say a quick prayer for you guys here. These lows ain't loyal. Yeah, that's true, Alex. Lost 150 today? It's alright, Blar. You make that back. You don't need more indicators, Blar. You need to work on you need to improve your risk management or improve your psychology. All the indicators in the world won't do anything for you if you don't have that taken care of. We need 20 RR minimum. Oh, man. Yeah, that's not going to work. Blar, are you Three Toes or Microman? Are you the same person? We need 20 RR, huh? All right, guys, I'm going to go. I'm going to say a quick prayer. Father God, we thank you for today. We thank you for the opportunities that you put before us, Lord. Father, I know whether we're green or red on the day, Lord, we always need you in our lives, Lord. That is the biggest prize and that is the biggest reward any of us could ever receive. Lord, we thank you for giving us one more opportunity today, Lord, to do what is right, Father, and get closer to you. Get closer to salvation, Father, by accepting you as our Lord and Savior. Lord, I pray that you forgive us for our sins, Lord, and I repent of anything that I've done in my life, Lord, anything I've done recently that might have been against your will, Father, and against what you have taught us. Lord, I pray for everybody in this community to also find the same thing, Father, find repentance and acceptance with you, Lord. Father, I pray that you always have your hand over our families and our health. Lord, for any of us in here who do not have the gift of health, Lord, I pray for them, and I pray for their recovery, Lord, and if that's in your will, and I pray, Father, that they know that everything in this world happens for a purpose and for a reason, Lord, and only you know what that is, Father. So we thank you, Father, for everything, whether it's good and bad, because I know you do all things for good and all things to strengthen us. Father, I ask that you protect us until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, guys, I am out of here. I will see you guys all tomorrow. And take care. Take care.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator,